Hey creators, I'm back with another one, a red orange smoky eye starring Marz and Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Dose of Me palette and liquid lipstick. So if you would like to learn how to do this look, then just keep on watching. So this is the Marz Sugar Sweet Cosmetics Dose of Me palette. It's a beautiful palette, very, very big pans. It comes with 15 colors. It's so gorgeous. And then I also invested in some highlighters from Sugar Sweet Cosmetics. I actually used the color Conceited in this video. And then for the liquid lipstick, I used Classy. My camera wouldn't focus. I'm sorry guys, y'all know where my heart was. So first, I start off with my brows, of course, brushing them in. Gosh, I look like a baby right here. So I just fill in my brows like usual. You guys know the routine already. You know, I'll do a little eyeshadow, and then I'll carve them out with my favorite concealer and buff that out with a brush. And then this right here happened by accident. I actually ran out of eyebrow gel. So I ended up using mascara, and I've been using mascara for my brows ever since. Alrighty, so I usually don't do this, but I felt it appropriate for the occasion. I wanted to go real glam. So now I'm doing a yellow eyeshadow. It's called Friday Night. Marz, I just want to say, girl, you did your thing with this palette. This 1994 color had me shook. It's a neon bright orange. It was just, it was gorgeous. And then I went back in with the Patron color. And then I just literally went back and forth, buffed it out, and everything like that. I was hungry, sorry y'all. This is the mess I usually make when I'm filming. Selfie check to see if I'm getting the colors right. Alright, and I go back in and I just keep blending between those three colors, the Friday Night, 1994, and Patron, to make sure everything is blended out real nicely. Back and forth, that's the key. And then I just put Viral on my lid, and then I go back in with the other three colors and make sure it's blended. I went ahead and did my lashes and my face off camera. I always struggle with my lashes, so I just decided not to film it this time. I put on some eyeliner, put a little shadow underneath my eyeliner where my waterline is with those same 1994 and Patron colors. And then I put on a little bit of mascara. Pop a little bit of highlight. This is that Conceited highlight I was telling you guys about earlier in the video. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful champagne color. It just kind of buffs into the skin really nicely. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my god. And I just highlight my nose, contour a little bit. I know I'm going out of order, you guys. I was just kind of doing it. And then I just mute out my lips with foundation, and then I'm going to go in with that Classy liquid lipstick after I line my lips. And you guys, this color, if I tell you, the color that you're about to see is literally one swipe, one go. I didn't have to put on 2 layers. It was very pigmented, and it dries matte. And it stayed on like all day. Like I ate all day. I went to work, I ate, I drank, and still, it was great. And then I put a little highlighter on the inside of my inner corners, and then we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you once again, Marz, for this beautiful palette and this beautiful collection. I wish you the best of luck, girl. I love you. Thank you guys so much once again for watching.